Hi friends, in this video we'll be talking about serums. What are serums and why do we actually need them? Well, we all know we are living in a very polluted environment. There are various types of pollutions around, and the pandemic time is also going. We are living a very stressful life. Um, we are in a situation of work from home, though work from home, to everything is opening a little by little, but still there is a lot of stress in our lives. Actually, all this does have an impact on our skin and our body. Somehow, directly or indirectly, it does have an impact on our skin, which shows through our face. So, I suggest we should take an extra care. That is the need of the hour. We should take an extra care of our skin. And now the question arises, how? So in this video we'll be talking about serums and the benefits of serums, which I'll be explaining you. What is a serum? A serum is a lightweight, quick absorbing skin care product that contains a high concentration of active ingredients. Serums help your skin to boost collagen and optimal hydration levels. So let's discuss the benefits of using a face serum. Well, the first benefit is that it gets quickly absorbed into the skin. As I told you earlier, serums are active ingredients, concentration of active ingredients which penetrate deeper into the skin and they get quickly absorbed into the skin. So the second benefit of using a face serum is that it soothes the sensitive skin. With this light preparation of a serum, it is very beneficial for the people who have acne prone skin and oily skin types. Serums also helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Some face serums which contains retinol as an ingredient, it helps in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. Serums protects our skin from free radicals and future damage. Serums which contains ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid, green tea, and astaxanthin. They helps in preventing our skin from oxidative damage from ultraviolet light and pollution, which can lead to premature skin aging and wrinkles. Serums actually feel light on the skin as they get quickly absorbed into the skin and they does not feel heavy or greasy at all. Sometimes the question arises, do we actually need a serum and a moisturizer or both? Here I will suggest that if you have a dry skin, yes, then you need a serum and a moisturizer. But if you have a oily skin, then I would suggest a serum is enough for your skin. But then uh, using the whole set, say the cleanser, the toner, the serum and the under eye cream and the moisturizer is gives you better results than using only a single cream. So I suggest using the serum with the moisturizing cream will give you better results in a very short span of time. So as we are talking about serums, I would like to tell you about the serum I am using for my skin. Uh, these are my serums. This is the Royal Velvet Ultra Firming Capsules. This serum actually comes in the form of capsules. Like this. And I use it, actually it is used once a day. Either you can use it at night or either you can use it in the daytime. So I use it with my morning skincare routine. It's used like tweezing it and applying it all over the face and the neck. The serum I am using Royal Velvet Ultra Firming Capsules infused with Irish flower to firm, strengthen and intensely hydrate your skin. Hydra Moisture Boosting Serum, all skin types. Optimal's Hydra Moisture Boosting Serum, all skin types, formulated with a natural Swedish ingredient blend of antioxidant blueberry and cloudberry together with vitamin C and vitamin E. Optimal's Clear White Lightening Serum. Optimus Clear White Lightening Serum, designed to deliver instant results and long-term benefits of skin lightening, formulated with the natural Swedish ingredient blend featuring licorice known for its skin lightening properties for all skin types. Novage Collagen Wrinkle Power Serum. Novage Collagen Wrinkle Power Serum smoothens out wrinkles for all skin types. Optimal's Even Out Illuminating Serum. Optimal's Even Out Illuminating Serum reduces the appearance of dark spots and contains light diffusing blurring pearls to reveal a softer radiant complexion. Formulated with a Swedish natural ingredient blend and Lumilight complex for all skin types. Optimal's Age Revive Anti-Aging Serum. Optimal's Age Revive Anti-Aging Serum targets multiple signs of aging, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and instantly hydrates and replumps your skin while helping to minimize the reappearance of pores and boosts radiance. Formulated with natural Swedish ingredient blend and hyaluronic acid for all skin types. Novage Ultimate Lift Contour Define Serum. Novage Ultimate Lift Contour Define Serum. Is your skin sagging? Novage Ultimate Lift Contour Define Serum restores firmness and suppleness over time. It helps in lifting contour and smoothens wrinkles and boosts youthful bounce in your skin. So friends, select your serum according to the needs of your skin. Please do like, subscribe and share my video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates about my next video. Thank you friends.